fellow WordPress developers. Exciting news awaits you at codecountry.net. If you're a Flatsome enthusiast, we're thrilled to announce the arrival of the latest update, Flatsome 3.18.4. This version comes packed with a host of new features and numerous enhancements, making your experience even more delightful. But here's the cherry on top. You can snag this fantastic update at the price of a burger right here on codecountry.net. What's more, your purchase includes lifetime free updates, lifetime free installation, and instant support via live WhatsApp chat. It's like having a tech buddy always by your side. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your Flatsome journey. Head over to codecountry.net and dive into a world of seamless development with Flatsome 3.18.4. Happy coding!